Vinny, if anybody tries to get through this door, you dive bomb them, okay?
You gonna let me get out?
No, he's not gonna let you get out. You really do have to go through the garage.
Okay.
Vinny, come here. No, I'm not coming there. You come here. Maybe I want you to come here. I know you're a pretty bird. That doesn't. I'm not falling for your fake birdie talk when I know how smart you are. Come on. You're sorry? Come here. Vinny, come here. Vinny. I'm not gonna show you. I want you to come here. Vinny, come here now. Really. Vinny, come here. Uh-oh. You're in trouble. Vinny, come to mommy. Good bird. Jersey likes that. That gets Jersey excited. Are you excited about that, Jersey? Yay! Vinny flies! Okay, guys, we have a situation. Nothing you haven't seen before, except there's almost no solution. He's throwing a tantrum and I cannot get him past here. Even when I bring him down, he's so mad. He likes boxes. I'm trying to tempt him with some boxes. Vinny! Vinny! Look at this nice pink Jeffree Star box. Won't that be exciting? For you, yeah, for you. Sorry, Jeffrey. I would have done maybe like an unboxing, just, you know, but this is a really exciting box for my bird. Come on. Go on. Vinny! No time. He's laughing. Do you hear him laughing? Vinny?
Because he knows he's in trouble.
Vinny? This is quite the predicament. He'll stay up there the whole time.
Good job.
Yay. He's safe. Okay. Uh-oh. Vinny, this is not how we act. Okay? You're making a spectacle of yourself. He's too smart, this bird. What's the matter? I put my purse on top of the box when I walked in. Vinny, I need my purse. It's okay. I'm just getting my purse. You're fine. You're a good boy. Good bird. Oh, jeez. I can't believe that word. Do you love Joey? Yeah. Why? Because he's tasty? Yeah. Joey's tasty? Yeah. Jersey, what's your problem? Jenna's boyfriend is here? Is that a problem for you? Yeah? What are you gonna do to Jenna's boyfriend? That's Joey. But
Look at Joey though. Look at Joey. He's like, he knows too.
what do you think of Joey? Okay. Do you like Joey? Or do you like to bite Joey? Yeah. No, all right, you want to throw it to her? Jersey, throw it. Don't shoot it, throw it, Jersey. When the goalie eats the ball. That wasn't how this was supposed to go. First you get them excited. Like they're not involved, you know? And then you throw one at her. And she knows to throw it back, and then you get it. And you say, here you go, Jersey. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Yeah. And then, when I throw the other teammate into the mix, she gets really excited. If you don't like that, I'm gonna get your other teammate. Who's your other teammate? Who is it? And then, for you ladies out there, let's when you do the squats. But I can only do one. Your friend's coming. Your friend's coming. Yay! Our friends are here. Cody's her best friend. Cody's her best friend. Cody's her best friend. Hi! Cody, say hi. She always plays harder when Cody's around. Yeah.
Whoa, she's got more control of the ball now. Whoa, mommy caught it! Oh guys, I have to show you how I taught Jersey to sing. Watch. So my logic was if I do her voice to the beat, then she will understand how to sing to the beat. So instead of singing, I would go, yeah, watch.
You can go under. It's so cute. My love for Rocky's like only growing up. So cute. Yeah, he's so cute. Yeah. He's like the most loyal bird out of all my birds.
Why is he the most loyal?
Because he loves me and he won't love anybody else.
That's what you're considered loyal?
Most loyal. Like Jersey dropped me in a heartbeat. You know? She's just like I haven't even, you know, been here and she's still, I mean, she's your bird now. Like she's for you, you know? Like I can't come to her and like be like, oh hi Jersey and pet her. She doesn't like me like that.
She does.
She does, but
last
like
24 out.
But Rocky, no matter what, he might be mad for a split second, but then he like loses his anger. Me and him have developed a relationship that's pretty good. And of all the birds, like I think the love between me and him is much stronger.
Did you ever think that you and Rocky would be like this?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because he wasn't loving to me in the beginning. Right, buddy? But he chose me. He chose me. You know what's funny? When he does this,
Green your shirt.
he doesn't actually ruin the shirt.
I know. It's funny.
It's like he's just working the shirt. Alright, buddy? Merlin's on my feet.
Merlin's on your feet. I can't even hear, but he's whispering, right?
See him?
Yeah. For those of you who didn't hear, he said Rocky. What's going on, Rocky? The problem is, guys, I want to not talk so you can hear him talk, but he likes to talk when I talk. If you know what I mean, like me talking makes him talk. Oh, he loves whispering. Every night when I put him to bed, I go, psh, 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 psh. Hi, Rocky. I think he's starting to blush a little bit.
By the way, don't forget, if you guys are looking for an amazing bird food brand for your bird that is healthy, organic, and not full of food colorings and sugar and peanut smash, check out Marlene's signature blend. I did this along with Top's Parrot Food. We just launched in the UK. Northern Parrots now sells our food. You guys have been asking for it. You got it. Also, Things for Wings in Canada sells our bird food right now. I'm proud to announce, and they will ship it to you. I encourage you guys to check out my Feathered Fun box. It's a passion project. It's a subscription box that comes with parrot toys for your bird and also special merch. Kind of like my dream box. Honestly, I put so much into it. I love that there's something like this for birds out in the world. That's why I created it. www.featheredfunbox.com. I love you guys so much. Thank you for listening.